are ready for gutter cleaning. So why don't you come on up here, Ron? We're going to first take a look at all of our equipment, which you are responsible for. So first thing we have is a barrel where we can dump our leaves and carry them off into the woods. We have our gutter vac with the bottom tub. We've got our generator, which still needs to be tied right here. The generator is what powers our electric vacuum. And this is our barrel for our extension cords. This is our little toolbox barrel. In our toolbox barrel, we have just got a little extra tie down here if we need something. We've got some of these ties. There is a little nail. See that nail down there? That nail is to poke a hole in our sign and put the new ties in if we need. There's a quart of oil, and there will be two more extension cords that we can store in there if we need them. When we don't need them, we won't have them in here. This is tied in with the string. This blue string holds all the barrels from sliding back. These green arbor ties hold the machine in place on all four corners. Okay. This is our grounding wire. Okay, which is attached to the bottom of the thing here on this wing nut right here. You want to just check that every so often. Make sure that that is tight and that it has not loosened up. Okay, so the barrel is also kind of held in place with the tie, and this is our grounding rod. So whenever we pull up to the yard, we want to make sure that our trailer is close to dirt, lawn preferably. So we're going to just push this in. We can see we've got a little point on the end. We're going to push it in, and then we're going to fasten our ground into the ground here. Okay, it's very important that that gets done every time. And so in this barrel here, we have two things. We've got all the black tubes, the flexible hoses in here. Okay, so this is what we're going to fasten our to the vacuum motor, and then to all our solid pipes. And then we have our extra propane tank, and this one has a gauge on it. That one does not. That is pretty full. I shook it, but when you run out of fuel there, you're going to come and put this. You're going to put that back in there. This is all nice and tight. It doesn't roll around because we have all the tubes neatly coiled around the propane cylinder. Okay. Over here we have all of our piping for doing the vacuum. So this is going to be the one on the end, of course, and we're just going to slide these together thusly. Should we need to get down into a downspout hole, that's what this is for. Okay, so this is going to be set up something like this, and you're going to be able to go straight down the downspout with this smaller tube to get in the downspout hole. So be aware of that. This is the only one we have.